Continuing with a new set of questions. Which group is known as the rare earth metals? It's not alkaline earth metals, it's rare earth metals. This group is represented in pink. From their name, they're metals and they're rare. Which symbol represents iodine? The symbol of iodine is I. Which element is used to purify the water in swimming pools? Oxygen, chlorine, or bromine? That is chlorine. You must have heard it a lot. Chlorine is added in swimming pools to purify the water and make it clean. What is the symbol of the metal used as the filament in electric bulbs? Ti, Te, or W? Well, you know that elements in the periodic table have different uses, and the metal that is used as a filament in the electric bulb is called tungsten. W is the symbol of tungsten. What feature of the elements gives the order to a periodic table? This is a very important question because it's actually one of the characteristics of the periodic table and the organization of the chemical elements in it. The correct answer is the atomic number. In the periodic table, the elements are arranged in increasing order of the atomic number. What property gradually changes as you go down a group? In fact, as you go down a group, the property that changes is reactivity. It's not malleability nor conductivity, that is reactivity, which means how reactive is the element. Elements in group 0 are which sort of gases? Regal, royal, or noble? The correct answer is noble. Elements in group 0 are called noble gases. They are all gases, and we call them noble because they are inert. They usually don't react with other elements, and they are chemically stable. Most of the credit for creating the periodic table goes to Pascal, Mendeleev, or Newton. It's important to know general information like this about the periodic table. In fact, Mendeleev takes credit for creating the periodic table. Which group contains halogens? Group 2, Group 7, or Group 0? The correct answer is Group 7. Elements in Group 7, which is column number 17 in the periodic table, is called halogens. Group 2 has the alkaline earth metals, and Group 0 is called noble gases. The elements in each group have similar properties. The final question. The elements described as transition metals are plastics, toxins, or metals? The correct answer is metals. I hope you enjoyed these questions. If you answered any questions incorrectly, please review the lessons of the periodic table.